These chewy and delicious oatmeal chocolate chip cookies are so indulgent and yummy during the holiday baking season. They're packed full of yummy rolled oats, chocolate chips, and literally take about 30 minutes to make. Little effort and big results. Begin by adding some sugar, brown sugar, butter, and some vanilla extract to a large mixing bowl. Give that a mix and then add an egg. You're going to mix that again until everything is really well combined. Add some all-purpose flour and baking powder. I meant to mix these before I added them together, but I just kind of mix them with my finger. Clean finger, of course. I added some salt in there and the rolled oats, of course, and just gave this a mix with a spatula. Next, you want to add some chocolate chips and just mix until everything is really well combined. This mixture is going to go in the fridge for an hour if you want these to be extra chewy. Otherwise, you can bake them and scoop them right away. This week on my brand new channel, The Scran Line Every Day, I'm going to be showing you how to make my ultimate grilled cheese. The secret ingredient with this is actually the truffle butter, which is optional, but I would definitely recommend it. This recipe is so easy to make, and I would love for you guys to head in the description box, subscribe to the new channel so you don't miss out when this video goes up. Using an ice cream scoop to scoop your cookie dough out is the best way to get nice even sized cookies which all bake at the same time. Once you've scooped the cookies out, you want to top them with a little bit of rolled oats. These are going to go in the oven to bake for 10 minutes. That's literally all it takes. Once they've baked, as soon as they've come out of the oven, you want to add some chocolate chips. Optional, but it actually looks really good. Once these cookies have cooled, they're ready to eat, guys. It's literally the simplest cookie recipe, and they're so yummy and chewy and just so indulgent. The recipe is over on my website, thescranline.com. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button, subscribe, click on another video on screen to continue watching. Thank you for joining me in my kitchen, guys. I'll see you all on the next episode of The Scran Line.